people's internet, my name is Kevin and welcome to the first ever Baking with Kevin Harry Potter, or whatever it's going to be called. I'm not sure what I'm calling it yet. So this is going to be a series on my channel where I go to my Wizardry cookbook, which I got from World of Wizardry box by Geek Gear, and they give you monthly recipes in the box on all the different Harry Potter ingredients you can make. And for today's video, I am going to be making DIY chocolate frogs. Now I just want you all to realize that I am a terrible cook, I'm a terrible baker, so this is gonna go even bad, really bad. And like the fact that this is just like chocolate frogs, like it's really not that difficult to make. But watch, I guarantee I will mess it up in some way. And also I'm wearing an apron just because I want to be extra and I'm honestly living for this. So yes, let's get straight into what you're gonna need for this video. The first thing you will need is obviously a bowl or something to melt your chocolate into. Then you're gonna need some milk chocolate, which can be whatever you want, just I chose milk chocolate. I also have white chocolate because I think I'm gonna make some white chocolate frogs because I've never seen them before and I would like to try them. So we've got some white chocolate frogs. Also going to need a frog mold, which I was lucky enough to get through World of Wizardry, and I'm sure you can buy it on the website. If so, I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go buy one if you would like it. You're going to need a mold from a chocolate frog box, DIY chocolate frog card. Also, if you actually have a normal chocolate frog, get the ones you can buy in all the shops to help you along with this. That would probably be helpful. I'm lucky enough to actually have one, but if you don't, I don't think it's going to be that necessary. If you can just look at a picture of one or anything like that, you should be fine. And yeah, that is everything we're going to need for this video. So let's just get crack-a-lackin'. Why did I just say that? I absolutely hate myself for saying that. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously get your chocolate and break it up into little bits and put into the bowl. So I'm just going to open this right now. Oh my god, that chocolate smells amazing. I kind of want to eat this. Even though I guess I am going to eat it when I make it into a chocolate frog, but I want to eat it right now. Should I try a piece? I think I should. Oh my god, that is such good chocolate. I feel like I'm in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory right now. Oh my god, love it, love it, love it, love it. So you just gotta start breaking it up. I love how I'm acting like I know what I'm doing when really I don't. I'm kind of just winging this right now. Hoping for the best really. You guys probably shouldn't take advice from me, but maybe you'll find this funny, me actually trying, and I probably won't succeed, so keep watching folks. I don't know how much that's gonna make when I melt it, so I think I might just melt that first because we've only got 4 molds and 4 chocolate frogs we can do. So I kind of want to do 2 with the milk chocolate and 2 with the white chocolate. So we're gonna go melt it and figure it out. So you're gonna need to put this in the microwave. I'm gonna put it in for 2 minutes, then stir it around and probably put it back in for 2 minutes, depending on how quick it melts when I put it in there. In the microwave. How long did I say I was gonna put this in here? 2 minutes? I feel like that's too long, but... And now we wait. Guys, I really want to eat this chocolate while I'm waiting because, oh my god, it's like melting all over my hands. Great. Knowing me, guys, I'm probably gonna drink this chocolate when it comes out melted because melted chocolate is just amazing. Oh my god. Like, as a child, if you did not lick the spoon when your mom was like baking something and lick all of the melted chocolate off of the spoon, did you really have a childhood? Because that was my dream and I'm living for that right now, and that is exactly what I will do to this spoon.
A few moments later.
I'm really getting bored. I'm getting impatient. This is taking forever, longest 2 minutes of my life. I'm not actually expecting that to melt so much so quick. Like, I actually think that's nearly ready, practically. That's literally done. Oh my god, guys, that does not look like the best thing ever, and it smells amazing. I kind of don't really mind if it's like a bit chunky or stuff in it because, you know, we're not going for perfection here, guys. We're just going for an actual success. You know what? I'm gonna actually just put that straight into the mold. So here we go, we have to lick the spoon. Ow! Shit! I regret my decisions sometimes in life. That actually burnt my tongue. I forgot I literally just took it out of the microwave. That really hurt, ow. Anyways, now I did not think this part through about how I'm going to pour this in without making a mess, so that's a struggle. But we're just gonna, oh god, this is gonna make an absolute mess. Okay, let's just go for it and hope I don't. Oh, look at it go, look at that. I'm so talented. Oh, Kevin, don't get cocky, don't get cocky. I need to go onto like the second one, so let's just put him over here. He's got a bit more of the chunkier parts, but he's just gonna be a different little frog, isn't he? Now we have like loads of leftover chocolate. which wasn't really the plan, but I guess I'm just gonna have to drink it. So while I have those in there, I'm gonna start working on my milk chocolate. And we're just gonna start breaking that off into here, obviously too. So break into the bowl. I've obviously washed the bowl, so like the milk chocolate is all gone from it. So we don't have to so the white chocolate will not be spoiled. I don't know how much we're gonna need in here. I have the white chocolate out now, and it didn't like fully melt also, but it's gonna have to do again, and I'm not going to lick it this time because that's going to burn. Let's bring the tray back over, and we're just gonna pour this in also. And there we go. So they should be all good to go now. I'm gonna go pop them in the fridge and let them cool down and harden, and then we will be back after when they are ready to be put into the box and ready to be eaten. Okay guys, so it's been nearly about an hour and a half now since they've been in there, and they actually got solid very, very quickly. So I'm gonna go take them out of the fridge now, and we should be getting ready to put it into our DIY chocolate frog box. So here we have our chocolate frogs. They are very, very solid, which is great, and we're trying to put it into our little chocolate frog box, which also has the DIY card in it, which you guys can probably see here. Yeah, time to pop into this little box, but they're gonna be quite big and it won't really fit into the box, but not to worry guys. Oh, that one popped straight out. Oh my god, look how good that turned out. Oh my god, I am so impressed with myself. Do you guys see this? Look at him. Isn't he so cool? And he just looks so pretty. Like, yes. That frog came straight out, which was great. Sadly, oh, and so did this one. Oh, they're all popping out right now. This is great. So we've got our little white guy, which is down here. And then this is how our little white frog turned out, which is just basically the same except a white frog. So yes, you guys have seen that white frog. So we've got our chocolate frogs all here, and the last one has to pop out now. And there we go. So we've got our 4 little chocolate frogs. Let's just make white, brown, and white. So we've got all 4 of our frogs. I'm really, really impressed and happy with how they turned out. I think they look absolutely delicious, but we will do a taste test on this soon and we'll find out what they taste like. You could like pop them into your little box, but as I said, the box is quite small, like not big enough for it to fit. But yeah, we can just leave it like that for now because the frog is actually too big for the box. It's just a slight bit too big, like almost nearly fits. If I bend it a bit, it will, but it's kind of ruining the box that I put so much effort into making. And that's how we have it guys. So you have your little chocolate frog, your little chocolate frog box, and yes, I'm really happy with how this turned out with my little chocolate frog box and my little chocolate frog in here with the white chocolate. And then we've also got our wizard card, which is me. I'm really happy with how these turned out, and yeah, they look really delicious. It's time to taste test a couple of them. So let's go for it. Oh my god, this one tastes so freaking good, oh my god. Let's try the normal chocolate one. Also very good, but I'm not gonna lie, the white one is my favorite because that is just amazing, wow. Well guys, that is it for my first baking video, Harry Potter Recipes edition. Let me know down below if you enjoyed this video and hopefully you guys can make this yourself. And other than that, I shall see you all next time in my next Harry Potter video. So goodbye guys.